I.C.T engineer Tony traveled to India to provide technical support for the customer's SMT production line. In July 2026,
This is loader machine, is PCB load. Then here, this is laser machine. Then put the mark, start the mark. After finish the mark, then conveyor, and this is a paste printer. Okay, this PCB is paste printer. It's done. Next conveyor. Okay, this is SPI. SPI for is powder press inspection. Then it's jet conveyor, and this is two more function. So buffer and inline. Okay, this is taken place. The finishing the board, all board, then board coming here. Inspection, then reflow. This model name is I think Lyra 733N. This is nitrogen base. After finishing the board, coming here is cooling conveyor. Okay, cooling PC is cooling complete. Then AY. Now this is 3D AY. After AY, use like same jet conveyor and same function buffer and inline. Last is unloader. This is the product here.